You already know what it is, man. Little sister going to get her first firearm, though. You know, we're going to pick it up, pick she up. What it is, though, you two, man. We're going to get it, man. We out here, though. You already know what it is, man. Rock tactics. We at the gun range. Whoop the little guys, man. You already know what it is. Squad. So, we got my sister, right? You already know what it is. So, she just picked up her first firearm. She got a Taurus. Show me Taurus. Taurus G3C, you know. So we're gonna see how it rock.
I took you already, Right.
Y'all see it? She hitting. Y'all see it? Yo, did y'all see that? Y'all seen that shit? Hey yo, man. But listen, I'm about to shoot this shit, man. We about to get it right, so. It was 3-inch shells, so y'all already know that shit just hit her hard, man. So we gotta get back into it, man. Y'all stay tuned.